How to start 3D printing at home. 3D printing at home is incredibly easy. All you need is a few simple tools. A 3D printer, filament, and some of my neighbor's 3D printed shit. So first up, go to Dora's free website for 3D models. Definitely not a scam. Now you just print your model and hope for good tolerances and no blobs of death. Now that your part is ready, you need to fix it. First up, gently get it out of the build plate. Now start disassembling your printed box. It may take you some ages, but hopefully you'll manage to do it. Right? Doesn't work for you? Use the provided tools to help you. Perfect! That looks so good!